Did you know that there are billions of dollars in unclaimed money and unclaimed property out there? And some of those funds can be yours. I will show you today how to claim what is yours and get your unclaimed money right now. I got my money and you need to claim yours. Let's go. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Finance Kit. As always, I'm Dion, and in this video, I want to show you two methods of how you can check if you have unclaimed money out there. Yes, this is 100% real, so stick with me, okay? If you have already subscribed to my channel, thank you very much. If you have not, please consider subscribing, as I will continue to bring you stimulus updates as well as some other personal finance tips in the future. So let's get straight to it. If you're following my channel, you know that my goal is to provide value with every single video. So I think showing you how to claim your money and make some extra cash during those hard times will be beneficial for many. So did you know that states, federal agencies, and other organizations hold billions of dollars in unclaimed cash and unclaimed property? Where does all that money come from? Well, unclaimed property and unclaimed cash comes from sources like abandoned bank accounts, stock holdings, benefits, and unclaimed funds from various different organizations. I personally just received $90 of my own unclaimed money from two different accounts, and both of those are over 10 years old. So yes, this is real, and I will show you step by step what you need to do in order to check if there are some money and claim them after that. So let me know down in the comments if you knew that such a service exists. Something to keep in mind before we start is that all states have their own unclaimed property laws, and some of those date back to the 1950s. In a case of 1965, Texas versus New Jersey, for example, it was decided that unclaimed property should go to the state of the owner's last known address. However, if the owner's address is unknown, it should then go to the state of incorporation for the company holding the property. Now, you're probably already asking, why am I boring you with all this? Well, the point is, you need to check for unclaimed property in every state you have lived before, because you never know where you have something left behind and where that unclaimed cash is. I'm surprised how many people actually are unaware of this service, and this is why I wanted to do this video and bring it to your attention. So hopefully you find some unclaimed money that can bring some help right now during those hard times. So here's what you need to do exactly. The process is very simple, and again, yes, this is real. I received my payment, and here is the confirmation from the email that I got. So what you need to do is go straight to www.unclaimed.org. The link will be down in the description as well. This is the website of the National Association of Unclaimed Property Administrators, NAUPA. It is a leading trusted authority in unclaimed property. So as you can read on their website, if you're already there, they help individuals claim their unclaimed property and also help businesses ensure compliance per state law in annual reports. Once you're on the website, just scroll down just a little bit and you will see a huge map of the US of A. Simply click on the state you want to check for unclaimed money. And again, don't forget to check all the states that you have lived before. This will take you to the particular state's website to find your unclaimed property and unclaimed money. Most of the states that I tried asked only for a first name and last name in order to run a search. So go over the last few states you lived in and check if there is any unclaimed money waiting for you. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family so they can learn how to do all this as well. So here's what I was able to find. Both of those accounts are over a decade old, and those money were held there for me until now. There is one more website you need to check as well. The second website is www.usa.gov/unclaimed-money. The link again will be down in the description. So on this website, as you can see, you can search for a lot of different things if you scroll up and down. You can search for unclaimed money in your state, search for unclaimed money from employers, search for unclaimed money from insurance, search for money from tax refunds, search for money from banking and investments and international unclaimed money. So quite a few options. It will probably take you a while to be able to go through all them. But again, make sure that you run a search on every single one of those categories, because you never know what you have out there that you have completely forgot about, and you can claim it right now. So once you claim all your money, they will mail you a check. You should receive also an email confirmation like the one I showed you with a claim number and everything like that. So don't forget to let me know down in the comments if you are able to find something that is rightfully yours and claim it. The whole process is very simple and well worth your time, especially if you can find some extra money and claim it right now. I personally, like I said, I was able to claim $90 from over a decade ago. Not a substantial amount by any means, but every little bit helps, right? I hope you were able to claim something that you might have forgotten about. Let me know down in the comments again if this worked for you, if you found some nice chunk of change. As you know, I bring you actionable content and updates as soon as physically possible, with working around the clock for you. I want to say thank you if you're already subscribed to my channel. If not, please consider subscribing and hit that bell notification as well so you don't miss any of my content in the future. Remember to check thefinancekit.com, where you can get personalized answers from me for all your business, finance, and investing questions. Like and share the video so more people can see it, of course. Down in the description will be those helpful links, along with links to other videos from me. Thank you for pushing your financial mindset towards a better reality. Until next time, stay positive, master your finances, and take a good care of yourself and those around you.